Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Nimpo Urbano. I am 42 years old from Batangas City, Philippines. I am married and I have 4 sons, ages 23, 21, 15, and 11 years old. I am high school graduate. I have 5 siblings and I am the youngest. I have work experience in Hong Kong for 2 years from March 2019 to March 2021. My main duties are cleaning, cooking, going to market, washing and ironing clothes, and taking care of a child 10 years old. I also have work experience in Saudi Arabia from October 2016 to April 2018. My main duties are cleaning, cooking, washing and ironing clothes, and taking care of a 10 months old baby. I also have work experience as caregiver here in the Philippines, taking care of an elderly woman from June 2014 to August 2016. I am responsible, trustworthy, honest, flexible, initiative, and willing to learn new things, and God-fearing. I hope you will choose me as your helper. God bless your family, and thank you.